There's two of them then, because that's not the one I just seen.
There it is! I see the other one!
Where?
It's by Cassie's back!
Where?
Right there!
Yeah. Where's the other one?
Over here!
Where? Oh, shit!
Oh, God, it's a den of snakes.
Oh, shit! There he goes.
One of them's over here.
Where? Let me see.
Yep, there's this green rattler. He's going underneath there. These are smaller ones.
Where's this hole at, Cheryl?
He just went underneath there, right there.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, I see him going down in it. I see where it's at.
I don't see
Okay, I
nothing. There's
see
one
where it's
right
at
there.
now.
Where?
Hold on. Somebody take my purse.
But if y'all see two, there's probably 10.
Yeah.
Where? I don't see nothing. Lynn, it's okay.
If they bite you, they kill you. You understand
Well,
that?
yes, I understand, but I don't even see it.
All right, Cheryl, I want you to... I'll kill it.
Hold on. I just have to tell you that he's curled up because I just stepped right beside him. I just jumped over
He
him.
didn't bite you.
I don't even see nothing.
I stepped over.
Where's I don't see anything.
He's a tiny baby.
He's a baby right there in front of the tree.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
How long is he?
He's probably,
That thing looks like a lizard.
he's probably a foot long, maybe not quite a foot.
Oh my God, y'all are getting that close to it? I mean, stay there, Lynn. Don't you get near.
It will bite.
Yeah.
Did you have him blocked up? Can y'all not get too close to where somebody's gonna get bit?
He ain't moving at all. Anybody see any other ones?
They're around there. We've seen two.
Is he still up under there? Or is he
Yeah,
crawling
he went down
through?
in the hole.
I ain't getting nowhere near.
Oh, God.
Phil. Oh my Lord. What in the... I ain't getting these y'all. Y'all something happened to y'all, ain't it?
I don't want to kill him.
I feel bad.
Let him go. Is he, what is he about to leave?
Bubba, we can't have 80
He's
of them
probably about